Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to scan a WhatsApp QR code using your phone in 2026. This is the easiest way to link your WhatsApp account to WhatsApp Web or the WhatsApp desktop app. Just follow along step by step. First, open WhatsApp Web in your browser or open the WhatsApp desktop app on your computer. You'll see a QR code displayed on the screen. Leave that page open. Now pick up your phone and open the WhatsApp app. On Android, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Linked Devices. On iPhone, tap Settings at the bottom, then choose Linked Devices. Next, tap Link a device. If your phone asks for your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode, complete the verification. Your phone's camera will open automatically. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen. Make sure the entire QR code fits inside the camera frame. Within a few seconds, the code will be scanned automatically, and your WhatsApp chats will appear on your computer. If the QR code doesn't scan, increase your screen brightness, clean your phone's camera lens, or refresh the QR code on your computer and try again. Also, make sure your internet connection is working properly on both your phone and computer. That's all there is to it. Your WhatsApp account is now linked, and you can send messages, share files, and use WhatsApp directly from your computer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.